Hello and welcome to a new Supsis AI tutorial. In today's video, we will take a look at the Automations module of Supsis AI. To access the Automations module, we will click on the main menu button, then click on Automations. Automations are independent algorithms running in the background of your system that need no to very low maintenance from your side. These automations can be used to eliminate a huge range of repetitive tasks that are usually handled by humans. Let's first take a look at the interface and then I'll show you a couple of examples. This is the main screen of the Automations panel. Up here it will indicate for you how many automations you have on your system and how many are currently running. On my dashboard, I have 5 automations that are currently running autonomously without the need for me to check on them or monitor them. To search for a specific automation, you can use the search bar, the filters, or the panels on the left to select a specific type of automation. You can also use categories to make the sorting of your automations easier. Let's create together a new automation and put it under this category. To create an automation, we're gonna click on New Automation, then either go to the template gallery or start from scratch with one of these 3 types of automations. Timer automation or scheduled automations are automations that run periodically based on a time parameter independently from any changes to your system. Some examples of these automations can be sending invoices to your clients or newsletters to your subscribers, since these events are usually time-based and happen on periodic basis. To create such scenarios, you can use these blocks. You can also use your AI voice agent to make outbound calls. Event-based automations are automations that are triggered by a specific event or condition. We can see a couple of examples of these automations in the template gallery. If you have an e-commerce website, this would be a good example of an event-based automation. The abandoned cart recovery automation is going to send WhatsApp messages to your e-commerce platform users when they add items to their cart but abandon the shopping process midway. To use this automation, you will need an active TCMax channel integration on your Supsis AI dashboard, an active WhatsApp channel, and a WhatsApp message template to send to your customers who abandoned their cart. Once you define these parameters, you can select from here the number of days after which your automation is going to send your customers a WhatsApp message. I want my automation to remind my customers of their abandoned carts after 2 days from when they abandoned it. Once you set up everything, you can click on Apply. Webhook automations are automations that are triggered by an external HTTP request. We have an example of these in the template gallery. As you can see, unlike the previous e-commerce automation that used integrations to run, this one is going to use a webhook URL. This specific automation is going to send a notification to a Slack or Discord server when a new chat starts. You can find any automations that you deleted in the trash bin. And if you want some data and analytics of the automations you're running, you can use the Insights panel. You can use this panel to show the data for one specific automation by selecting it from here. And you can also select a specific time interval and the status. If you feel like you want to make some modifications to your automation after seeing those metrics, you can click here on View. This is it for today's tutorial. If you have any specific scenarios that you want us to create automations for, please share them with us in the comment section. We want to remind you that all the data used in our tutorials is dummy data. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.